So this is the Staedtler Lumacolor whiteboard marker, a dry erase marker for a whiteboard. As you can see, this is the black one. You can see from the color of the lid and from the end here. It's got a really strong, good grip, which is good. And the lid comes off, but it also clips on. It doesn't fall off, which is really important and really good. This has also got a chisel tip, as you can see. So if I write this on a whiteboard here, I can do it very thick, but I can also use the end here very narrow, you see. So that's good. I really recommend these ones. I love these Staedtler ones. I've got them in a few different colors, and they just last. I really like them for that. So I'd recommend them for you, for your home office, or for work.